What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. So we have to follow these trend lines with Doge, and as you can see, we are up here at the peak, and I actually just sold right up here at 28 cents because I seen that it would not pass 28 cents. It was just having too much resistance, and that was kind of the same thing back here. It wouldn't pass 28.76, but we wouldn't pass 28 cents here. So what I did is I went ahead and sold, and we are probably going to see another one of those dips today, just like kind of how we see, not as big as yesterday, but we may see a little bit of a dip for the day. But this is good for buying in at a lower price, and yeah, it's definitely good for dollar cost averaging down. And really, I don't think we're gonna have a huge drop today like how we did yesterday. Yesterday kept fluctuating a lot, but I think today will be a little bit of a sideways trade. And by the end of the day, we actually may end up getting all the way down to here, but that will be a good point that 26 cents could actually be our low, or 27 cents. But that is actually a possibility. Either 26 or 27 cents will be our low for today. And yeah, that's how we're going to end today. All right, no, that's how we're going to end over here around the 27th. But today could end around, 26, 27 cents. I wouldn't say 25 cents. But yeah, that's how we're going to end today. I don't think we're going to get back above 28 cents. But I may be wrong, because we could actually continue to go up over time, and it could actually be more of an uptrend. But I'm just predicting that it kind of consolidates a little bit for today, because we're actually up pretty high for today. So we might just consolidate a little bit and have a lot of selling off, because I was looking at the candlesticks here. If you look at the candle chart, it shows that we're actually selling off here. Let's go over to the 1 minute. But yeah, you can see that we're actually selling off, and there was so much buying pressure here, and it was rising up. And then the second it hit this little peak up here, we just kind of sold off completely. And yeah, everyone just started selling. I actually sold right there, because I was like, there's no way that we're gonna pass this resistance line, because I just set the resistance line. I was really positive with it. I knew we wouldn't go above it. So I was like, okay, I'll do this. And then our next point, once we actually break the resistance line, is 30 cents. That is the next one where I will probably start selling at too. But I'm trying to get back in possibly around 26 cents or 25 cents. And then I'll have about 29 to 30K Doge instead of 26K. So yeah, I'm just trying to acquire more shares as we continue to go up. That's why I'm making so many Doge videos, because I do so many different trades, and I like to update on people on the trades that I do and why I'm doing it. So yeah, I just sold 26K Doge at this price up here at 28 cents, and 26.6K Doge to be exact. But then I'm about to sell it again. I'm about to buy back, but I'm not going to buy back yet. We have a little bit more selling off here, so I'm not going to. We have some people buying, so I'm really not going to end up selling or buying. I'm not going to end up buying right now, because people are buying back in. So you can see that the price is going up. So my time to buy would have been down here around 27.22 to ride it back up to 27.47, and then sell it for a little $100 or so profit. And that's a good little day trade there, and especially because Dogecoin has the lowest transaction fees out of every crypto. It's like $1, so it's like $1 and some change. So it's pretty cool to have that low of a transaction fee and trade so much money through it. And yeah, Dogecoin is one of those coins that's just really handy. It comes in handy a lot. But let's just look at what we're about to do here. Yes, we are rising again, but like I said, we're gonna do something more like this. We're gonna rise, and then we're gonna stop right here, and then we're gonna go down and do the same thing, and we're gonna keep doing something like that. And then we're gonna go down a trend where it's similar to this. It does it all the time, and then we do that till about the end of the day. And then after the end of the day, we continue to follow the original trend that we set. The original trend that we set was an uptrend here. So we are going to continue to go up, and we're never going to pass this line. We're just going to continue to meet the line over and over again, because that is what the trend line does. But the only way that could be broken is with really big news, whether it be good or bad. It's just really big news would break the line for better or for worse. But as for the moment where we don't have a lot of big news, we're just going to continue to follow the trend line. And you can see we're starting to drop again from this little jump that we had. So yeah, these trend lines are definitely good for profits, so then you know exactly where you want to buy at and where you want to sell. I sold at the perfect spot, and I could have bought in there and then made a profit and sold here, but I don't like doing like really small day trades like that. I like waiting for it to go down way lower, so then I can buy back in around 27 cents, high 26 cents to low 27 cents instead of mid 27 cents. And what I mean by that is 27.20 here. I'd rather get in around like 26.80, 26.90, but that's just a little way to acquire more shares. But yeah, we're going to continue to do different fluctuations here with Doge today. So I would definitely say if you want to continue to make money, you could day trade Doge like I'm doing, or you could just, hold on to it. That's what I was also doing before, but I figured I'd rather just try to acquire some more shares as we go up here with Doge, because Doge is definitely going to continue to go to the moon. We definitely have a lot of support with Doge, so I'm definitely not worried about the community, because the Doge community is actually one of the best crypto communities out there. But yeah, look at this, it's starting to go up a little bit. So yeah, these charts could really do anything. But yeah, we're expected to go up here, meet this line, go down, and really consolidate around here towards the end of the day. The end of the day would be right here at this mark. No, it's even farther. Yeah, the end of the day is somewhere around here. So by the end of the day, we could actually be above 27 cents or below. But before the end of the day, definitely expect for it to continue to do these weird fluctuations where it's jumping and dropping like it is now. But yeah, Dogecoin, I like to follow its chart because it just helps me make a lot of money just following the chart. And it's a really easy chart to follow out of normal charts because it's so volatile that you can expect it to do huge jumps and huge drops daily. So you can expect to make a lot of money daily if you play your cards right. Like how I got in like way down here and then I got out way up here. So just playing your cards right with Doge, you can make a lot of money off of it. I think it said I'm up $350 for the day, and that's definitely good. And yesterday I was up about 1,000. So yeah, that's pretty cool for the day, or for 2 days. That's like 1,300 for 2 days with Doge. So Doge is definitely one of those cryptos that if you trade it right, you can definitely make a lot of money here. And I'm gonna wait for it to get down to here again, and I will buy it right around here. So if you guys aren't in yet and you want to buy, 26.85 is my line where I'm trying to buy it at. But I'll also buy it a little bit above it if it doesn't get all the way to 26.85. The highest I'm probably gonna buy at would be 27 cents flat. But yeah, that's just so that I can have at least 29k, or I think that would be like 27 or 28k Doge. Could it be 29? But I don't know. I'd have to do that math. But yeah, this is actually, let's do that. Let's go over here. 7,400 times 27 cents. Or no, that would be divided by 27 cents. 7,400 divided by 0.20. So yeah, that would be 27.4k Doge from the original 26.6k that I had. So then if it goes up to $1, I will have 27.4k instead of 26.6. That is if I get in down here at 27 cents. Not 100% sure if it'll get all the way down to 27 cents today. It definitely could because of where we came from. You got to look at this. This was a lot of growth that we had overnight, and it just kind of happened from yesterday because we took a huge dip, but then we started growing a lot. But with all that growth has to come a little dip, so that's why I'm predicting that we drop around there. And who knows, maybe we go all the way down to 25 cents and I just made a huge profit. So that would be really good for Doge if it, it does dip, and then people will be buying the dips. And that's really what it's all about, is buying the dip and acquiring more Doge, so then you can continue to profit even more off of this. But yeah, this is just my little day trading strategy here. And I like to also look at little short-term charts. This could probably end up being here by then, but then it'll continue to go down, and then ultimately we'll end up around here, around 1400 military time. Yeah, so that's definitely something to think about. That would be 2 p.m. daytime. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the description for a free stock with Public, Robinhood, and Webull. And you can also get Dogecoin on Webull now, and I'll be back with another video.